Hey, what's up, refinance coin holder? What's going on this time? Refinance condition is very good now. My friend, you can see a 5.05% refinance price is increased. But expert says, my friends, in upcoming time, my friend, there is a chance so they will get a 15% profit. 15%, my friend, the price is increasing. So really, this is possible. Now, if they will just only get my friend 15% profit, then remember my brothers, in upcoming time, they will easily hit now zero point 0.1 USD dollar. 0.1 USD dollar is just and only possible if they will get markets continuously in upcoming days 15% profit just and only to the end of this month. So I think it is possible, it is not impossible, but holders are doing very huge mistake, my friend. In this time they are starting selling. So my advice personally, it's a lot of holders, my friend, message me to please tell us to what we will do, my friends. So in this video I will also share my opinion and my advice also, my friend. So this time you can see here the price is 0.03 USD dollar. The price is very cheap, my friend. Refinance price is very cheap, so you can buy it easily now in a lot of. So you can see here the change occurring last 1 hour and last 1 day is positive, and of last 7 days this coin is completely fell down. So therefore from last 24 hour they will just only starting moving upward. So I think that is really great news for all of you. And when a coin will starting moving upward, so I think the all credit goes to holder. And this time, as you can see, my friend, the rank is absolutely increasing. You can see here 186, and the market cap you can see here 4 billion, sorry. So this time you can see 24-hour volume is 48 million, and my friends, the credit supply is 13 million billion, sorry. So max supply is also 15 billion. My friend, distribution, as you can see, at 86.72% increase now. So holders, kindly, my opinion is for all refinance holders, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And my opinion is please hold, don't starting selling. I hope in upcoming times the refinance will give you a double to triple profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.